To tip or not to tip? That's the topic for tonight's Facebook Friday story. And TV6's Beth Cefalu joins us now with more. Friday nights, a lot of people eating out this evening, so the question is, to tip or not to tip? You got to take good care of the servers, right?
That's right, Greg. And actually, 42 million Americans, $42 billion is spent every year by Americans for tipping. But the question lies, when to tip and how much?
Here you go, sir. We got the double and dip for you there.
I personally look at tipping as a reflection of how well I do. If I get something that's a little less than I would have expected, I do take it personally because I like to put my best face forward with every customer.
It's a choice we face on a daily basis, and when it comes to dining out, some say it's a must.
If they're being paid under minimum wage, which most waitresses and serving staff are, then you want to tip.
A server's wage averages $3 an hour, with tips making up a majority of their salary.
A good rule of thumb to follow is calculate 15 to 20% of your bill and then leave that as the tip.
Waitstaff say over 20% means outstanding service, 15 to 20 is good, 10 means okay, and below 10 means poor. Ryan says, I tip based on service. If service is poor because of the server, they get 0.
If they don't do the job, I would leave less of a tip. I may leave 10%. I would never, very rarely in my life have I left without leaving any tip at all.
Michael says, I deliver newspapers, and I must say the tips help. Don't forget to tip your newspaper carrier. Other places you should tip include car washes, hotel maids and bellboys, camp drivers, hairdressers, and bartenders. Some say takeout diners or coffee shops pay minimum wage, so it's okay to pass up the tip jars. But remember that any outstanding service should be rewarded.
I found a list of the 10 best cities for tipping, and Atlanta is rated #1. For the complete list, head to our website, uppermichigansource.com.
All right, so Upper Michigan cities probably too small to make it on this list?
Yeah, actually in rural cities, people, they say tend to tip less, but I guess the standard of living is less, so they don't need as much to survive, maybe? I don't know.
I don't know. I used to wait tables in college, so I know they look
I
forward
used to work
it.
in pizzerias and stuff, so I appreciated those tips too, you know.
All right.